Hello, my name is Bill Balzano, and I am very pleased to be a faculty member at the University Online. I received my degrees all in psychology, a Bachelor of Arts degree, a Master of Arts degree, and a PhD in psychology, and have been able to teach psychology for many, many years at Lee University and as an adjunct professor at several other universities. I'm really honored to be part of this terrific and nationally recognized program, the University Online, and to teach courses such as methods of counseling, theories of counseling, marriage and family relations, human sexuality, and have taught several others along the way. This is going to be a terrific experience for you, and I think it is wise that you have become part of an outstanding educational program. Lee Online is one of the top-ranked online programs in the United States of America. So I'm delighted to be a part of this program that not only emphasizes outstanding academics, but also emphasizes a Christian walk with Jesus Christ. And the integration of this is one of the highlights of the program for me, because it's not pushed down students' throats, but it is there and is available. So my hope for you is that as you sign up for courses which I teach and which others teach, that you will be successful and that this will be an enjoyable experience. You're going to find that the faculty within this program are outstanding and comparable to faculties anywhere in the country who teach online courses. So God bless you, and good luck with you as you enter this wonderful program of studying online. Thank you.